Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make curry using onion easy method. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan and saute 2 large sliced onions until golden and caramelized, about 15 minutes, stirring often. Add 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon cumin, then stir for 30 seconds. Pour in 1 cup diced tomatoes and 1 cup broth, simmer 15 minutes. Then add cooked protein and finish with cilantro and a squeeze of lemon. Toast whole spices briefly, then grind or use per ground to boost aroma. Use ginger, garlic, and onion paste for a smooth base. Add coconut milk or yogurt to create a creamy texture. Balance heat with chili and sweetness with a pinch of sugar. Simmer until oil separates for the best texture. Taste and adjust salt, and finish with fresh herbs to brighten the curry before serving over rice. Serve hot. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy these kitchen shortcuts, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Check out the product seen here. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control. It frees up time to prep onions and stir curry without worrying about crumbs. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Choose your protein. Chicken, chickpeas, tofu, or lentils all work well. Brown protein first for extra flavor, then set aside. Sauté spices and onion base, return protein and add 1 cup broth, then simmer until tender. For vegetables, add harder veg early and delicate ones later. Finish with acid like 1 tablespoon lemon or tamarind to lift flavors. Rest the curry 5 minutes before serving for flavor melding. Serve with rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.